Hi guys, it's Louise with Gallery One Point Fashion. Hey, I had to do one more shout out to TOOMBAS Africanwear. You can get it at galleryonepoint.com. That's GALLERYONEPOINT.com. Go to boutique and then go to women's wear, and under women's wear you'll see TOOMBAS. TOOMBAS Africanwear. This beautiful dress, you can wear it off shoulder or you can wear it on shoulder, because this is all elastic right here, guys. Very, very, very comfortable. I prefer mine off shoulder, but you can wear it on shoulder. Look at the cutout though. Look at the cutout. Isn't that cool on the sleeve? And it's a bell sleeve, so it's lots of room in here. Very, very comfortable, 100% cotton. You're gonna love, 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 love this dress. So pick that up, but on your checkout, when you check out, use the coupon code HOLIDAY 2020. HOLIDAY 2020 gets you 10% off regular price items. And you're going to love going on there and shopping. Go page by page. Look at all the African wear. They make great gifts, by the way. You can't go wrong. You're absolutely going to love it. By the way, we are going to do a shop from home live broadcast with yours truly and with the great and famous Haja Scott, who is the designer of TOOMBAS Africanwear. We're going to have snacks, so we want you to have snacks. We're going to have beverages. You have your beverages wherever you are. And if you make a comment in one of our comments in any of our social media between 2 and 3 o'clock, then you get a free gift, because that means you attended. It's just like our events, like when we used to have our events and you would come and get a free gift. You're going to get a free gift anyway, just by making a comment. And we can't wait to see you. We can't wait to hang out with you for the day. So that's on December 12th between 2 and 3 o'clock at galleryonepoint.com. That's GALLERYONEPOINT. Regular price items, Holiday 2020. Use that for as you're checking out to get your 10% off, or go to the holiday sale area. $5, $10, $15, $20 gifts over there. You are going to love it. So we can't wait to hang out with you on next Saturday. Have a fabulous day.